Welcome to our interior design video where we'll show you how to transform your kid's study room into a functional and inspiring space. We'll be using various components to create a delightful environment for learning and creativity. Let's get started. Before we dive into decorating, let's start with a plan. Consider your child's preferences, age, and needs. Now, let's bring in the components. First, place the desk and chair in a well-lit corner. Ensure the chair is ergonomic and comfortable for long study sessions. Next, install shelves and storage bins for books and supplies. Keep everything within easy reach for your child. Let's turn the wall into a creative hub. Install a corkboard or bulletin board for important notes and a whiteboard or chalkboard for brainstorming. Create an artistic corner with an art easel. Encourage your child's creativity and self-expression. Time management is crucial. Add a wall clock to help your child stay on schedule. Proper lighting is essential. Install task lighting above the desk for focused work. Keep the desk tidy with desk organizers. It's easier to study when everything has its place. For important documents, include a file cabinet. Keep everything organized and accessible. Let's make it personal. Use a pin board or magnet board to display your child's artwork and achievements. Enhance the look with bulletin board borders and a colorful rug. It adds a playful touch. Create a comfortable study nook with bean bags or floor cushions. Perfect for reading or relaxation. Maximize space with wall hooks for backpacks and coats. Consider adding a desk hutch or extra shelves. Turn one wall into a canvas for creativity with a chalkboard wall or decals. Lastly, protect the floor with a desk chair mat and add curtains or blinds for privacy and light control. And there you have it. A fantastic kids' study room that's functional, inspiring, and tailored to your child's needs. Remember, it's all about creating an environment where they can thrive. Thanks for joining us, and happy decorating!